It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
What's up, YouTube? This is my 1976 Chevy Camaro, and man, she is a beast of a car. Now, normally, you know, we're gonna go over like, oh, what kind of wheel and tire setup do you got? What kind of exhaust did you put on this guy? You know, what kind of engine did you put in there? What kind of carburetor? But this is not that video. Basically, I want to share my living, driving memorial to my father. Like many of you, your father, my father, got you into American muscle. When I was 16, he got me a 68 Mercury Cougar, and boy, after that, woo, I loved American muscle. Now, fortunately, the great state of California and their restrictive smog laws caused us to have to sell that car, but this car, this 76 Camaro, is our redemption car. When I saw this guy and my dad saw this guy, we had so many dreams. We knew the potential of this car, and if you could have seen it when we first got it, you'd be like, Frank, wow. Again, this is my dad and I's redemption car. This is my memorial to him. Unfortunately, he passed away in 2007, but I have worked very hard. I have spent countless hours. I have spent so much money making sure that this thing drives. It runs great. And once in a while, you throw a little fun, like this wheel and tire setup. This is just, you know, the perks. But in the end, I want to keep this thing running. I want to keep this thing driving. And I want to make sure that the love of the American muscle never dies. And if it's up to me, if I can get it done, I would love to be buried with this car.
Was this week's video, and remember to have your car video highlighted here on my channel. Check this out. So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell.